Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I want us to look at how you can create web pages, then link them, so that when somebody is in page 1 and you click a link, it will take you to page 2. Or if you are in page 2, you want to go back to page 1, you can click a link and you are taken to page 1. And to do that is very simple. The first thing you are supposed to do is to create different pages for the website you are making. In my case, I am assuming I want to make a website with information about 3 fruits. I have a picture of a mango, orange, and apple. And I will create 3 pages. The first page will be, for example, mango. Then I will create also another page for orange. Then I will also create another page for apple. And these pages will be very simple. They will only show the name of the fruit and the picture and a link to take me to the home page if I am in a certain fruits page. And if I am in the home page, I can click a link for a fruit, then it takes me to that fruits page. So I will have a home page here. Home page is the main page which you normally see when you visit a certain website for the first time. The first page which welcomes you is what we call the home page. So basically, what I will do is to create these 4 pages, and the home page will be the link to all these. And if somebody is in a home page and he or she clicks a link for mango, this person is taken to the page for mango. If you are in a mango and you want to go to home page, you click a link, then you're taken back to the home page. And to achieve that, we are going to use what we call anchor tag. Anchor tag, we call it like this. Then the word anchor is like it is originating from the anchor which is used to dock ships. This is what we call anchor in the seaman's language. And here we are simply having our HTML anchor, which is only represented by letter A here, and it is closed here. And inside anchor tag, there is hypertext reference link here. And in this link, here is where you put the name of a page. For example, if I want to go to Apple, then I will put inside here apple.html. I am assuming that is the name I will use for my Apple page. So if I click this link, it will take me to the name of the page which is specified inside here. And in this case, for example, it is apple.html. Then here, inside between the 2 anchor tags here, you put the name which will appear on the web page, so that when it is clicked, it takes you to apple.html. For example, I can write in between here, go to Apple. So this is the name which will appear on a web page. So if I click that name, go to Apple, it will take me here. So click the name which is here, then it takes you to this page. To better understand what I am discussing, I will use HTML practical for you to see how I'm going to do my work. I will open this folder, and you can see I have 3 fruits, and I'm going to create a page for each fruit. Then I will also create a home page, and the home page will have all the pictures of the fruits. It is very simple. I will first of all resize these pictures. If I point to apple, I can see it is 749 by 565. The other one is 225 by 225. Then the other one is 415. So since the one for the apple has the shortest height, I want all my pictures to be to have the height of 200. So I will simply come to Apple, open with Paint, and I will just click Resize here. Choose Pixels, and under Vertical, I will only choose 200, and let me make them 200 height, vertical 200. Then I will click OK. So the height of this, as you can see here, it is 200, and I'm done. I will close Paint. I will go to my mango, open with Paint, and you can see the height is 225. I will click Resize Pixels and change the vertical to be 200 and click OK. So it is done. It is 200 height. Close after saving. Go to my orange, open Paint. Then you can see the height is 415. So I will click Resize Pixels and change it to 200. Then I will click OK. So finally the height is 200. So all my pictures are of the same height, because in the web page we want to ensure that all the pictures look neat and uniform. Now the next thing to do, I want to copy and paste all these pictures to create smaller copies. So I will just come here. I will just choose copy and paste. Then I will rename this to Apple 1. I just write here Apple, then at the end of the name I put 1. Do the same to mango. Copy, paste, and call it mango 1. Mango 1. And finally orange, copy, paste, and call it orange 1. Orange 1. Now I want to go and resize all these pictures with 1 to be smaller. So I'm going to make them something like 8 pixel height. So I will just open with the Paint, resize pixel, height, give it 8, so that it is smaller like that. And I will save. Go back to my mango 1, open with the Paint, resize it to 80, and this resized these smaller pictures will be in the home page. Open with Paint, resize pixels, put 80. So finally, I have smaller pictures and larger pictures. The ones with the ones are smaller, and the one with without ones, they are bigger pictures. I will simply start Notepad and do my web page here. So the home page, I will just write the HTML tag here. Then I have head, then close head, then I have body, then close body and close HTML. So I have the header part and the body part. Inside the header, I will give it title, and I can say here maybe fruits as my title, and have heading level 2 as right here, popular fruits to eat, and close that. H2, I will just color this H2 by just writing style equal sign and the two single quotations, and inside there I will just write color red, like that. Now below this heading, I want the smaller pictures, the ones whose names end with 1. So I will come here to my folder and confirm the type of file. I will point to this apple. I can see it is JPG. Mango, it is JPG, and orange is PNG. So it is only orange which is PNG. So I will come back here and write here my image tag, image source. Then I can have here orange.png. Then I will just copy this line, Control C and Control and V, and then change this to mango, and I think it is JPG, and copy that to apple, which is JPG. Then I will put 1 at the end. You remember the ones I want here are the smaller images, so I'll just put 1s. Then I will save. Before I save, let me also add a paragraph. below below the pictures I can have a paragraph which says click a smaller picture to see bigger picture. Then I will close this paragraph here like that. So I will now save this inside this folder where pictures are, and let me call this fruits.html. Now if I open my folder, you can see my fruits page is there. I will now go ahead and open it so that you are able to see it. Now you can see it. It has the title fruits and a heading, popular fruits to eat, then pictures of the 3 fruits and a paragraph, click a smaller picture to see bigger picture. So the next thing for me to do, I will close this one. I want to copy this page here and modify it. So I will just come here and choose copy, then paste this, and I will call this let me call this mango. Remember, it is still a web page because I copied it from a web page. Then I will just let me close this HTML for the. I will just right click this page and choose here open with Notepad. Then it will show me its content. Then I will only change here. Instead of fruits, I will call this mango. Then I will change the title. Instead of popular fruits to eat, I will just call it mango fruit. Mango fruit like that. Then I will remove these image links, delete that, and I will remain with only the one for mango. And I will change this paragraph inside here and right here go to home page. Go to home page and I will just save. Let me use the bigger picture which doesn't have a 1 at the end. So let me just make that modification and I will close. Now I will copy this file, then paste it here. Then let me call it orange. Enter. I will right click orange page and modify it. Now instead of mango here, I will call it orange. Then change this to orange fruit. And also this, I want orange. But remember, orange is .png, so I will change the type here. PNG. The rest remain the same. So let me now double click this page for you to see how it looks like. After double clicking, you can see this is how the page looks like. I will close this and copy this orange page and paste it and rename this to Apple. Then I will open Apple in HTML, open with HTML. Then this time I will change this to Apple and have this here as Apple, and even here Apple, but remember Apple is JPG, and I will save the changes and close this page. Now I will double click this page for you to see how it looks like. And now you can see this is the page for Apple. The next thing is to ensure that I link all the pages, all this mango, orange, apple. I want to link them to this fruits page, and that is where I'm going to use the anchor tag. I will open fruits. Then I want to create a link so that when a picture of a fruit is clicked, the page for that fruit is shown. So I will come to this image and put the anchor tag here, A. Then hypertext reference href. Then put single quotes like this. Then I will close that anchor tag here. So I will copy this and also apply it down here. The same here. And also copy this and put it down here and put it down here. So what I will put inside here is the name of the fruit. So this is for orange. I will just write here orange .html. You have to write the name of the page at the end. You put .html. This is for mango. I write here mango .html. And this is for apple. I write here apple .html. So I will just save the changes. Remember, this tag is the one which is linking, and it has a name of the page where it will take us to. And don't forget it is closed on the other side. And between the two anchor tags there is a picture which is clickable now. So after saving the changes, I will go ahead and open this page so that we can click it. Now if I point to a picture, you can see there is a pointing hand appearing on top of a picture. It means now it is linked. So I can click here orange and I get a bigger picture of orange. Apple, mango, and I get a picture of mango. Apple, I get a bigger picture of apple. Finally, I want us to make it such that when I click orange, I can click this line here and it takes me to the fruits page. And to do that is very simple. I will come to my mango here, open with Notepad and put anchor here, H ref equal sign single quotes and close it on the other end before I forget. So here I will just put the name of the home page, which is fruit. I think it is fruits. It is fruits.html, and I will save that. So I will just copy this line so that I do the same for the other pages. So I will close this, open Orange, and before this P I paste now fruit.html and close it at the end. Then I will save and close, and I will come to Apple, open with, and click here href for fruit, then close it here. So I will now save, and now I have a complete website with the pictures and web pages. I will go ahead and open this fruits page for you to see how it works now. Now I can come here to my website. If I click orange, you can see the picture of orange. Then go to home page. I can come here and click, then I'm taken to home page. Mango, click go to home page, and then you are taken to home page. Click Apple, go to home page, and you are taken to home page. That is it, how simple it is. I created web pages and linked them using the anchor tag in HTML. Thanks for participating in this lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.